Hi, welcome to Hey Español. Here you'll learn practical Spanish for real-life situations. Today you're going to learn how to greet people and introduce yourself in Spanish, in a simple and natural way. Basic greetings.
Hola,
Hola is the most common greeting in Spanish. You can use it in both formal and informal situations.
buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches.
In Spanish, buenas noches is used both when you arrive at night and when you say goodbye at night. Different from English. Asking someone's name.
¿Cómo te llamas?
This is the most common and informal way to ask someone's name. You use it with friends, people your age, or in casual situations.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Usted is the formal, you, in Spanish. Use it in professional situations or with older people. Answering.
Me llamo Ana, me llamo Carlos.
Me llamo comes from the verb llamarse, which means to be called. Answering. Alternative.
Soy Ana, soy Pedro.
You can also use soy from the verb ser. Both forms are correct and very common. Mini dialogue.
Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hola, me llamo Laura. ¿Y tú?
Soy Mark. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Encantado, encantada.
Encantado is used by men, encantada by women. Practice every day and improve your Spanish step by step. See you in the next lesson.